Still growing up, still growing up. I would lay in my bed and dream about what I've become.
Seniors, class of 2009, this is the year we've all been waiting for.
Salutations, South Kids Up. I'm Mark McClare.
And I'm Jackson Woodard, and today is May 18, 2009.
Good morning, fellow Wolves. I'm Samantha Wells.
And I'm Jessica J. Townsend.
Hello, and good morning, South Kids Up. I'm Riley Allen.
And I'm Stevie Collins. Good morning, SK, and welcome to WTV. I'm Ellie DiGiovanni.
And I'm Paige Branham.
Good morning, South.
And welcome to another wonderful day here at SK.
Good morning, SK, and welcome to another fantastic Wednesday.
We hope that you've been having a great week so far.
Good morning, South. Welcome to another episode of WTV. I'm Savannah Foster.
And I'm Tori DiGiovanni.
Good morning, South. I'm Emily Reel.
And I'm Maria, and we hope you're having a good morning.
Good morning, SK. She's Jordan Lawrence.
And she's Maddie Martin.
Good morning, SK. I'm Colin Shoquist. And I'm Deshaun Keel. Let's start off today's show with news.
Welcome back, South, to a normal, no crazy tests or drills or schedules day at SK.
Are you sure about that?
Oh no, what do we have today?
Well, we're kind of getting out of the studio today.
Can we just start off with something normal first?
Sure.
Let's start off with some news from outside SK by talking about South Colby. They're looking for camp counselors for their 5th grade camp in January. If you can be a responsible leader for young kids and you are in good standing with grades and discipline, pick up a packet in the guidance office. Now let's get out of the studio by going right to the football field.
Hey everyone, with how wet and windy it's been, you might think it's winter, but you'd be wrong. Something you're not wrong about though, is that winter sports are starting soon. So turn your paperwork and physicals into the athletics office before your sport starts. One sport starting up is ladies bowling, so any lady interested in knocking down some pins, contact Mr. Ladeau in the security office or Miss Muller in the athletics office. If you're in need of some sports tonight, here are the teams playing. Good luck to our lady swimmers and divers at league today. Yesterday, football played and sadly lost. The Lady Wolves faced against Rogers and tied 3-3 with goals from Selena Madrid and Frankie Maupins. JV also tied 2-2 and C Team won 4-1. There are 3 big events happening at South Saturday, and we have Alex at the bleachers with the one closest to you right now.
Thanks. I'm out here by the bleachers because tomorrow there will be a bleacher cleanup. Now, you might be asking yourself, why have a bleacher cleanup? Well, it's to get the stadium ready for homecoming next week. So bring your family, bring your friends, and bring anything to clean with, like old towels, brooms, and even leaf blowers. And don't forget to come prepared with gloves, eye and ear protection, and dress for the weather. The cleanup starts at 8 a.m. tomorrow, but as for tonight, let's go to the theater.
Hey guys, I'm in front of the theater where tonight will be the first Improv Night of the year. The acting ensemble will make you laugh, make you cry, and most likely make you slightly nauseous. All this is yours for the low, low price of $2 with ASB or $3 without. It'll have way more jokes than The Joker and co-hosted by Mrs. Evans. As for another great deal, let's go over to the ASB office.
Homecoming. It's next Saturday, guys. That means that ticket prices go up on Monday. This week, tickets are $11 with ASB and $13 without. Do not forget to pay your fees and fines and turn in your guest forms. If homecoming's next week, that means Spirit Week is next week too. The Spirit days are Monday, Sports Day, Tuesday, Flower Power, Wednesday, Lazy Pajama Day, Thursday, USA, and Friday is Trick or Treat, with each class being a candy. And now that you're thinking of Skittles, let's skittle over to the Career Center.
It's your future fairs last night, but the Career Center is always ready to help you get money for college.
They have the Elks Most Valuable Student Scholarship that varies from $4,000 to $50,000. Also, the Daughters of American Revolution Good Citizenship Award, which is due mid-November. And the local Fathoms of Fun Scholarship. Once you sign up for a scholarship, you'll need a college to spend it at. So lucky for you, Oregon State will be here Monday for you Beavers fans. And if you're into medical, Johns Hopkins will be Wednesday, and if you are more of a Wildcat, Central Washington University will be here on Thursday.
And if you need more Career Center news, make sure to follow them on Instagram and Twitter at SK Career Center. And next up
is Inside the Career Center, where students of color will meet Monday after school. If you have the time, you should stop on by. As for the rest of clubs, Builders of Unity, IB Action, Interact, and the brand new hiking club will meet today. ASL, Green Team, Magic the Gathering, STEM, and like we said, Students of Color will meet Monday. Like we said earlier, there are 3 big events tomorrow, and to find out what the second one is, let's send it over to DECA.
Good morning, South Kitsap. My name is Alex Trigloff, and I am representing DECA. Today I'm joined with Delaney and Rowan, who have an upcoming event. Tell us a little bit about it, Rowan.
Well, tomorrow night down at Highjoy Bowl from 5 to 7 p.m., me and Delaney are hosting an event called Bowling for a Cause. The tickets, which are $15, include 2 hours of bowling and shoes, and all of the proceeds of our event are going directly to the South Kitsap Special Olympics.
That's amazing. But I also heard you guys are doing some other fundraising for the Special Olympics. Tell us a little bit about it.
Yes, so currently in room 261, we do have our silent auction going. It will be at the event itself tomorrow as well, but you can come a little bit early and put your bid in on one of Port Orchard's favorites. Mine personally is the Cookies Pet Basket, and all the proceeds are going to the South Kitsap Special Olympics, so come support.
Thank you so much, Delaney. Well, that's all we have for you here. Now it's back to you in the studio.
Now for the last big event happening tomorrow, we have Victor Thompson from the Thompson Agency, Farmers Insurance, to talk about the promise.
The promise. It's pretty simple. This is where you get the opportunity to make a promise to your family and to the community. To drive sober, arrive sober, and stay sober for homecoming. To do so, all you have to do is come by our office this Saturday between the hours of 10 to 4, across the street from Fred Meyer's behind the Chevron, with your parent or guardian to sign the promise. For participating, you will receive a free gift from the business community and be entered to win one of 10 $100 Visa gift cards. Yes, we will be giving out $1,000 worth of gift cards at halftime during the homecoming football game next Friday. We hope to see you all there making the promise to be sober.
Thank you, Victor, for coming in and sharing this great opportunity.
Wow, that was a lot.
And we have one last thing.
What's that?
This letter. A thing of note comes back Monday.
Well, I guess that ends this crazy week.
See you next time, South.